Just wanted to put out a fast video for somebody who might possibly benefit from this information. So I just posted up today a Legato flyover, and generally speaking there's two aircraft, two drones that I'll fly over that. So today's is a Mini, and in other cases I'll fly the Air. So the Air is kind of like the next step up. These are the last generation for each of these series. So this is an Air 2, there's an Air 2S, this is a Mini 2, and there is a Mini 3. But for the Mini 2, if you're a Costco member, right now these are on a really big discount. I believe it was $339, so it was like $60 off. So this is not an affiliate thing for me. I get nothing from it. I just thought it was a really good deal, and I thought I'd pass it along. So for example, the video I'm recording this on was a GoPro from a Costco bundle, which came with an extra battery and some extra stuff that's really useful. The Mini 2 is the same way. So you'll get the Mini 2, you'll get a case, and what I had to do was buy a second battery. So the Costco kit comes with the second battery. So it's at a cheaper price. You get the thing, you also get the drone being the thing, and you get a second battery. The way that this charges though, you're gonna charge the battery while it's in. So I've read some reviews where people say, oh, it didn't come with a charger. It does, it comes with a USB thing. And yes, you have to put the battery in there. And so that means you're gonna only charge one battery at a time. You can buy an extra external battery charger where you could charge two, or one in here and one outside. Generally speaking, I've never found myself in the 2 years or so owning this where I was caught without a battery. But then again, I also have the second guy. So you generally speaking will get around 20 minutes of flight time. Today it was gusting quite a bit. I've got an anemometer which will measure wind speeds. The forecast was saying today was like 6 to 12 miles an hour, but that definitely feels like it's 12 plus outside. But with the increased wind speed, of course, the battery will have a decreased life because it's fighting it, or at least it's fighting it half the way coming back. Maybe it's getting a little boost. But this is still a really fully capable drone. Go watch my videos. You can see the quality of the video. The stills, I believe, are 48 megapixel in that. Don't trust me on it. Go verify it. Look at the DJI website, and I'll put a link to Costco and a link to DJI's website. The DJI tech support, I had an issue one time where I left a battery in it, the battery swelled, and then I couldn't pop it out. So even though technically this was outside of the warranty of 1 year, I sent it, they got the battery out. I had this in less than a week. I don't know if they sent me back the original battery that I had. I do have the serial number for this, so of course I know this is the same. But no, actually no, I did. I got a new battery, because with this this is a smart battery, and so it has information on it, and it'll tell you how many times it's been charged. So yeah, when I got it back, I had a charge cycle of 1. Whenever you press the button on the bottom, it's going to show you the current battery status. So feel free to read the manual on that and how that works as far as the battery status. So that's that. This will be your controller. You'll need an iPhone. Should be a newer iPhone. Again, with reviews online, one of the complaints I've heard were people who had like an Android that was older, and in some case a Google. So if you got a Google Pixel, maybe this drone isn't for you. But anyway, and if you've noticed in my old videos, I had reviews of Scotty's Cine sticks. I still like them, but for just my general day-to-day normal kinds of flying, I went back to just the stock sticks on my controller. So anyway, hope that information was useful. Have a great day.